Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll use an example to show you the fastest way to solve a cubic equation. At the end, I'll compare this result with the traditional method of log division. Our example says 2x raised to power 3 plus x squared minus 18x minus 9. Going by the traditional way of solving, first thing we have to do is to find one of the factors of this equation. Now we'll test 1. When x is equals to 1, we'll have 2 into 1 raised to power 3 plus 1 raised to power 2 minus 18 into 1 minus 9. So that obviously this 2 plus 1 minus 18 minus 9 is not equals to 0. So x equals to 1 is not a factor. Now let's test x is equals to 2. We'll use 2 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 2 squared, or this 2 raised to power 3 minus 18x minus 9. Now 2 into 2 raised to power 3, that's the same thing as 16. 16 plus 4 minus 18 into 2, this is 2 here, that's 36 minus 9. Obviously, this also is not equal to 0. Now let's try x is equals to 3. Now this will be 2 into 3 all raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power 2 minus 18 into 3 minus 9. So this will be 2 into 3 times 3, that's 27, plus 9 minus 54 minus 9. Obviously, plus 9 minus 9, that's equals to 0. Now 3 times 2 times 27, that's 54. 54 minus 54 obviously is equal to 0. So we can conclude that 3x is equals to 3 is a factor. Now, if x is equals to 3 in our method, what we're going to do is I'm going to pick all the factors. I'm going to pick all the coefficients of my equation. Here is 2, 1, minus 18, and minus 9. Let me rule a line to make it visible. Then my x here is equals to 3. I'll put 3 here. Bring this 2 down. The first thing I'll be doing, I'll multiply this by 2. That will be 6. Add it to this 1. 6 plus 1. Here I'll have 7. 3 again. Multiply it by 7. That will be 21. Add it to minus 18 here. That will be 3. 3 times 3 again. That will be 9. Add it to minus 9 here. That will be 0. This is actually the confirmation that we are right. Getting a 0 at this last point. Now, we'll now pick each of these. This will be the coefficient for the first part. That will be 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now, this is my product. That is, this is another factor of this equation. Just like x is equals to 3 and x minus 3 is equals to 0, the same thing, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 will be equals to 0. Now, to finally solve this, we have to solve this equation. So that I have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now, on solving this, I'll be using factorization method. That will be 6x squared. What are the factors of 6x squared such that when I sum them up together, I'll get 7x. That's 6x obviously and x. That's 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3 now will be equals to 0. Now I can factorize it. Here is 2x, x plus 3 plus 1 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. So that's 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 is equals to 0. Obviously, 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So that x is equals to minus half. X plus 3 is equals to 0. So that x will be equals to minus 3. Now, with this, we can see the 3 roots of this equation, because the third root, we got this x is equals to 3 initially. We can just add that to this, so that x also is equals to 3. So we have the 3 roots. Let's try a conventional long division method. Now, for our conventional long division method, remember we got our first x to be equals to 3, so that x minus 3 is a factor. Now, let me divide using the long division method. Now, this is 2x raised to power 3 plus x squared minus 18x minus 9. And here is x minus 3. X into x raised to power 3, that's 2x squared. 2x squared times x, that's 2x raised to power 3 minus 6x squared. Now we'll subtract this from here, this 0. X squared minus 6x squared, that's 7x squared. Bring down minus 18x. So that x now in 7x squared, that's plus 7x. If you follow me gradually, you see that it's beginning to look like our initial solution. Here is 7x squared minus 21x. Now, 7x squared minus 7x squared and minus 18 minus 21, that's plus 3x. Plus 3x, you have minus 9. X in 3x, that's plus 3. 3 times x, that's 3x minus 9. If you subtract 3x from 3x, that's 0. Minus 9 from minus 9, that's 0. So that you can now see that what we have here is also 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. The same thing we got when solving with our method. So whichever way you decide to kill the cat, I believe this is the fastest way to solve cubic equation. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.